Hi, I'm Peter, a product expert here at Upkeep. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to data import meters within Upkeep. So for our agenda today, I'll provide a quick overview and demonstration so that you can start importing your meters right away. First, let's go ahead and tackle just a quick rundown on what meters is. So with meters, this is definitely where you can import and export things like, let's say you need a meter setup for car mileage. This is where you can do this through something called a CSV file. And then I'm going to give you a demonstration of how this works within the app. Okay, so first thing is you want to go here in your meter section. And then if you're just creating 1 or 2 meters at a time, that's easy to just go within the app and fill out the necessary fields. But if you have to, input maybe like 50 to 70 meters, it's best to use this importing function. So to do that, you would click on the 3 dots right here in the small box. And when you click on import, then from here, you would click on download our sample template, this middle box. And once you do that, then you'll get a spreadsheet in a CSV file format that looks like this. So row 1, this is your meter title columns. This, you want to just keep it like this, remain unchanged. Make sure you don't switch out the columns, because if you do, there will be a importing error. So just leave row 1 as is. Row 2 will always show sample data. So that way you can follow this as a guideline of when you're filling out your actual meters. So since I have one already filled out already, and I'll go discuss this in detail, I'm going to remove that sample data in row 2. Delete. All right, so let's look at each of these columns and go over some of the ones that need more explanation. So A, meter name is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to name mine based off of a car mileage. And then B, unit, that's just the measurement you want this meter to be. This could be temperature or even mileage or hours run. For this example, I'm just going to use miles. Frequency, what this means is it's the number of days you want in between the readings. So let's say I put in like 10 miles, and the next one I put 30 miles. Then that frequency in between those two would be 30 days. And the max number of days in between you can put in this column would be 730. All right, and then with things like IDs, location, asset, user assigned ID, these things have to exist within the app first before you can input these in. And then lastly, we have column G. This is our category ID. So this is a specific meters category. So where you can find that is if you click here in this tab that says categories, and then within here, you have different category sections. Click on the one that says meters, and then this is where you can find the meter category IDs. So the one for mileage, I can just copy and paste over and then put it here. So once that looks all good, I'm gonna save this. And now I'm gonna go back to my meters tab. I'm gonna click the 3 dots, select import. Now I'm gonna click on this bottom box that says import your file and click on meters. And once it goes through, it's now successfully imported. So I can click into this meter to view its details, and everything looks good there. My location, asset, user I assigned is all in there as well. So everything does look good. All right, so this was a short video. Data importing meters is generally one of the ones where you input less data. But if you have any questions or feedback, definitely let us know. But I hope this was helpful, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.